Could you confirm reports that there were originally 3 of them? Yung isa na nasalba lang, he was saved, that's why he didn't drown. Could you confirm that?
Meron actually po apat yung na allegedly na nalulunod. Pero po yung dalawa ay nakabalik. Tapos po yung dalawa ay nawala.
4. There were
Apat po.
because we heard that there were 3 who got caught up in the rip current, pero isa he was saved. So 4 originally.
Apat
The two
po yung
Meron bang according to the witnesses that you spoke to, meron bang nag-attempt na i-rescue tong mga to?
Opo, yung ano nga po, yung lifeguard, ano po siya kaagad. Meron po siyang ginagamit na surfboard, yun po yung rescue niya. Ano po siya kaagad, naka-attend po agad.
So the lifeguard was on site.
Opo.
And what were the conditions that morning? Bakit why were the boys were not saved? Why were they not saved?
Yung nga po, yung bigla po silang nahila sa mas malayo na parte ng dagat at hindi na po sila nakita. So nagkaroon po agad ng paghahanap. At yung nga po, after several minutes bago po sila nakita.
Could you also confirm, sir, if the boys were swimming with ankle weights?
Ayan po, wala po. Based po sa statement ng ating mga nakausap, wala po silang nakitang any kind of that.
Sorry, nakitang any kind of what?
Ankle weights.
Yung ganun pong mga sinasabi na may mga weights, wala pong sinabi yung ating mga.
Because there were several reports that surfaced already saying that, claiming that the boys were all swimming with ankle weights on. So, you investigated that and wala kayo nakita?
Apo.
And so you're continuing on with the investigation, and are you coordinating with the school, with Ateneo, for this?
Sa ngayon po, nakipag-usap kami dito po sa pamunuan ng NDRRMO at saka yung management po ng resort. Dito lang po muna kami nagpo-focus.
Colonel, tanong ko lang po para po malinaw. So sa ngayon po wala kayong nakikitang dahilan, tama ba na tingnan kung merong liability ang sinuman dito sa nangyari? Did I get that right? Yan ho ba yung inyong kasi pagsabi po kasi ninyong purely accident, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, aksidente maaring merong may liability, maaring merong wala but the impression I was getting was parang wala kayong nakikitang may liability. Tama ho ba yun? Meron ho ba kayong titingnan liability or wala ho?
Sa ngayon po, wala po kami nakikitang wala, hindi pa po namin ma-ascertain. Hindi pa natin ma-ascertain kung meron pong liability yung management. Pero based sa accounts ng mga statements ay talaga po ang kwento ay pangyayari.
You are not able to ascertain liability at this stage. Will you be investigating or looking into the school as well? And na-mention nyo na po, nakausap nyo na po yung resort, pero what about the school?
Pag-usapan po namin yan, meron po kami ongoing na meeting ngayon with the other involved agencies. Pag-usapan po namin yan.